In today's interconnected world, information is power. From personal medical records to sensitive financial data, our lives are increasingly dependent on digital systems. This reliance makes cybersecurity more than just a technical issue, it's a societal imperative. Cybersecurity laws play a crucial role in this landscape. They provide a framework for protecting sensitive information and holding individuals and organizations accountable for their actions in cyberspace. These laws aim to prevent data breaches, protect privacy, and ensure the stability and trustworthiness of our digital infrastructure. Cybersecurity laws impact everyone, from individuals to multinational corporations. They dictate how data is collected, stored, used, and shared. Understanding these laws is not just the responsibility of legal experts, but is crucial for anyone who interacts with the digital world. This is especially true given the rapid evolution of technology and the constantly shifting landscape of cyber threats. The United States boasts a comprehensive framework of federal laws aimed at safeguarding information. One such law is the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, or HIPAA, enacted in 1996. HIPAA mandates the protection of sensitive patient health information, holding healthcare providers and their associates accountable for maintaining its confidentiality. Another cornerstone of U.S. cybersecurity law is the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, or COPPA, passed in 1998. COPPA is designed to protect the online privacy of children under the age of 13, regulating how websites and online services collect and use their data. The Gramm-Leach-Bliley Act, or GLBA, of 1999 is yet another crucial piece of legislation. GLBA dictates how financial institutions handle customer data, requiring them to inform customers about data sharing practices and provide opt-out options. These are just a few examples of the many federal laws that form the bedrock of cybersecurity in the U.S. They highlight the government's commitment to protecting sensitive information and holding entities accountable for their cybersecurity practices. In addition to federal laws, many states in the U.S. have taken the initiative to enact their own cybersecurity legislation, often going above and beyond the baseline set by federal laws. California, a state known for its technological innovation, has been at the forefront of this movement. The California Consumer Privacy Act, or CCPA, which came into effect in 2020, grants consumers broad rights regarding their personal data, including the right to know what information is being collected, the right to have it deleted, and the right to prevent its sale. Similarly, New York has established itself as a leader in cybersecurity legislation. The New York Shield Act, passed in 2019, mandates that businesses implement reasonable safeguards to protect the personal information of New York residents. This law broadens the definition of personal information and requires companies to implement administrative, technical, and physical safeguards. These state-level initiatives demonstrate a growing awareness of the importance of cybersecurity and a commitment to providing robust protections for citizens' data. Section 4. A Global Perspective: International Cybersecurity Regulations. Cybersecurity is not confined by geographical boundaries, and neither are the laws that govern it. As data flows freely across borders, international cooperation and harmonization of cybersecurity regulations become increasingly important. The European Union's General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, which came into effect in 2018, is a prime example of a regulation with global reach. The GDPR places stringent requirements on organizations processing the personal data of EU residents, regardless of where the organization is based. This regulation has set a new standard for data protection, influencing privacy laws in various countries around the world. Another significant piece of international cybersecurity legislation is the EU's Cybersecurity Act, which came into force in 2019. This act aims to bolster cybersecurity across the EU by strengthening the mandate of the European Union Agency for Cybersecurity, known as ENISA, and establishing a framework for cybersecurity certification. This act highlights the EU's commitment to a common level of cybersecurity across its member states, recognizing the interconnected nature of cyber threats. Section 5. Beyond Compliance: A Culture of Proactive Security. While complying with cybersecurity laws is essential, it's just the first step towards building a robust security posture. Organizations and individuals need to move beyond a tick-box approach to compliance and cultivate a culture of proactive security. This involves continuously assessing and mitigating risks, staying informed about emerging threats, and adapting security practices to meet evolving challenges. It's also crucial to understand that cybersecurity is not solely an IT issue. It requires a holistic approach, involving everyone within an organization, from the top down. Employees need to be trained on cybersecurity best practices, and organizations should foster a culture where security is everyone's responsibility. Ultimately, building a robust cybersecurity posture requires a commitment to continuous improvement, ongoing vigilance, and a proactive approach to mitigating risks. It's an ongoing journey, not a destination.